If you really want to learn how to import from China with Pinduoduo without using agents, consider to watch this video. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can import from China without using agent with Pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you get it done fast without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. So without being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy from China, or how you can import from China with Pinduoduo without using agents. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to head over to my Pinduoduo app right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my profile. I'm going to click on here to access my profile. And the next thing I'm going to do is to access my cart. So I have already had all the products to cart. So if you don't know how to add products to cart, you need to check the video on my channel and see how to add a product to cart. So once you add your product to cart, then you have to come and click on here to proceed to checkout. Alright, so these are all the products I have added to cart so far, and I'm going to buy them straight up. So I'm going to what I'm going to do next is to click on here and click on here to select each of the products I'm going to buy right now. So I'm going to buy this one, and I will scroll down. I'll make sure I select this. So I'm going to buy this, and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this, and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. It's as simple as that. I'm going to buy this, and I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. So you can see, very simple and easy. So I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy this, and so these are all the products I'm going to buy right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to proceed to checkout and make payment with my Alipay. So I'm still trying to recheck and confirm if everything is complete. All right. So I'm going to click on here to proceed to payment once I confirm that everything is complete. Alright, so it's going to take me to preview. Then we can preview of everything that we want to purchase. You can see everything right here. So once I scroll down, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure my Alipay is active, and I make sure this is checked. So finally, I have to click on here to make payment. So I'm paying for 745.01 yuan to purchase all these products. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is to make sure I click on here to confirm my payment. Then right here, I will enter my payment authorization password. So it's as simple as that. So once the payment has been done successful, I will have to click on here to click on done. The next thing I'm going to do is to go back to my profile. So by the time you can see, by the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just purchased has moved to, we have one right here and we have the other one right here. So by the time I click on any of these points here, if I click on here, you are going to see all the products that I just purchased on Pinduoduo without using any agent. So by the time I scroll down, you can see these are all the products that was paid for successful right now, and any moment from now all these products will be shipped to my shipping warehouse in China. So this is how you can buy from Pinduoduo without using agents, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.